Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Kimani Ichungwa ni okireirwo na njira nene muno. Hena miario araririe muthenya wa ira, na miario ino ironekanire ta irerekeirio mutumia wa Rigathi wa Gachagua, Dorcas hamwe na Gachagua. Kimani Ichungwa arauga atiriri ati mundu uyu ni athiere mutumia wake one time atutigithie, ati ona ni ikareirwo ni mutumia, ati handu hothe athie no ngina mutumia ati mathie na mutumia, ati before arie mutumia wake ni ambaga kwaria ati ni ikareirwo muno ni mutumia, na ati aikara uru ndira muthikirie muno hau video igithira, ati aikara uru hena bishop fulani ekuhetoka na mutumia wake. Miario ino ni ukireirwo na njira nene. Niki tondu ni miario ironekana itari miega. Ino video ya Kimani Ichungwa akiaria ni ngwenda mwithikirie wega, na haya mwisho-ini ni ngwenda muthikiririe wega.
Sababu wanataka kutenganisha Wakamba na Wamasai. Alafu akija kwa Wamasai aseme unajua mimi hata ukiangalia makuu yangu mimi ni shemeji yenu. Na wewe bibi yako ni hapo tu amekukalia. Kitabu umekaliwa hata uwezi kumbua. Hata uwezi ongea kama bibi hajaongea. Si unaona huyo mtu akienda lazima bibi aongee kwanza ili apewe ruhusa ya kuongea. Sasa wewe mwanaume umekaliwa na bibi, utakuja kuambia wanaume wengine nini? Tunawaambia wanta wewe kwenda ambia bibi yako. Haende asiende. Siende akaambia wanta bibi yake. Hata kwake atakaa wanta sababu ya kizubaa. Bibi ako na bishop mwingine, bwana yake mwingine.
Guys, it's so unfortunate. Hey Goria, mutumia ekuikana family, mutumia wina iteo ciake ekuingiririo thiini wa politics. Ona gikorwo politics is a dirty game, niki kurehe mutumia ta Dorcas, mutumia wina iteo ciake thiini wa maundu ta maya? Niki kurehe allegations ta icio? Atumia ni maritie na atumia maugite uu. Ningwambia na Nungari, uyu ni akarugama giti kia Kiambu ta women representative, uria maritie makauga. Nungari ni aritie na mucii wa Kenyari ni aritie. Nungari augite uu: as a woman and a mother of this nation, I actually condemn as a woman and a mother of this nation, I actually condemn in all possible terms the insults that were directed to the spouse of the second deputy president, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, Dorcas Gachagua. Is it illegal in Kenya to support your spouse? Mama boys aishimiwe. Ucio ni Nungari uria ugite. Wa mucii wa Kenyari nake augite uu: a man should deal with a fellow man. Mheshimiwa Kimani ambiwe a respect mama boys. Maigwa? Pastor Dorcas Rigathi is a woman of honor. I've never had her use words to demean others. That is wrong with a husband going with what is wrong with a husband going with his wife and allow his wife to speak before him? We thank God they have sustained it for years as a couple. Ai, Pastor Dorcas na gafisha ka Pastor Dorcas gaikirwo hau. Miario ya mundu ti Kimani Ichungwa ni miario ikomithete muno. And from my point of view, the Kikuyu podcast, I think Kimani ni afatie ko apologize ni undu wa miario araririe, miario ironekanaga te ira erekeirio kwi Rigathi wa Gachagua na mutumia wake Dorcas. Olokonda na mataja, miario ni ironekanaga muno yerekeirio mwena ucio. It's so unfortunate. I think from my point of view, Kimani ni afatie kuoya muhera. Ti wega kurehe mutumia ucio na kwari maundu ta macio. Now, hena post nyonire guku nenda-ini, kana kwena post ndonire igitrend guku nenda-ini, ati andu a Kikuyu ni mabetie kwi organize igetha Maricol MP wao mundu ti Kimani Ichungwa. monete post ino era trend guko nenda-ini kwina ka post drone ya gai trend ati andu a Kikuyu marenda ku recall Kimani Ichungwa na kuria thiini wa internet ni kuri process ya ku recall member of parliament no ngina gukorwo na gikaro thiini wa bunge no ngina abunge nao magitumika igetha kumrecall. And from my point of view and from where I stand, tondu ona igoti no rigitumike thiini wa maundu maya andu a Kikuyu matingihotana na uhoro uyu thaa ici ni gukorwo haritu niki ni undu wa protection iria enayo from agikuwa ndu uyu no ukinye bunge. I think itakuwa ngumu because we all know MPs are Raila mwena uria mari na MPs arebe mwena wa Ruto, and we know how our parliament is. So undu uyu wa ku recall Kimani Ichungwa thaa ici, to be honest, atienda home sai, to be honest, itakuwa ngumu. Haya mangi mutwarira muci no mwaka wa 27 tondu undu wathii kuria guothe it will be blocked. Kina hawezi accept. Huyu ni mtu wake. Just imagine mundu wa Kinara athiete akarikorwo na horo ucio na process igathie through, ekuonekana arekereirie mundu wake muno, ekuonekana taterendera andu ake mawega, no ngina angirugama nao, no ngina angima protect. So this process nyenye watu wa Kikuyu wanaamua ati wanataka kumrecall, by the way itakuwa ngumu. The only thing they can take him home maybe no mwaka wa 27 magithima mu vote out yagikorwo matira mufatara akikwado Kikuyu constitution sema matira mufatara. That's the only way magimuikia ja guthie ballot-ini mwaka wa 2027 mamuikia ja. No thaa ici to be honest itakuwa ngumu. And Makiu ko impeach deputy president neko uthu gukira ko impeach MP, and you all saw it. Ni ndu wa kumakania muno that constitution kana gatiba mwena ko impeach MP ukabikira ukoe process nene ukiraga ko process kanini, no ko impeach deputy president ule mathuri ho mana president na ko ni kaudu kanini. How adore malikire katiba matiarorire, but they never saw it coming. Kamatia shiragia ati undu ta uyu no uke oro wa ku impeach mundu ta deputy president digoshiria ni mari maundu ta macio hingwa igwa mandikaga katiba ya mwaka wa 2010 digoshiria maundu macio mawakiri akini wao, because from kutoka itambo hatukuwa hiyo na mambo kama hiyo. Though tena deputy president ogamaka uga uyu twatigana nake ndenda uyu, hiyo ndio ilikuwa katiba ya kitambo, but katiba ya kuma 2010 magathurwo hamwe. So they never saw it that no uko na uhoro wa ko impeach mundu ti deputy president. Ugo nigo ikarite maoni manyu maiko inywe murona atia guku ni kwa podcast. What's your take on this? Maoni manyu maiko inywe murona atia? Thank you, guys. It is what it is. God bless you so much.